my name is Kaylee Green, and today I will be doing a presentation on Airtable. Airtable is a computer software program that allows you to save all of your information in one place online. So what is Airtable? Airtable is a spreadsheet and database hybrid. It allows you to keep all of your information centralized and in one place. You can easily access and share information across multiple users. Each person can create their own free account, and it's all customizationable. So if you decide you don't like something or you want to edit it, you can go ahead and edit it right in the program. Customizing it allows you to easily share information all in one place. You can create each database to your preferences of how you prefer to work. It is a program that works for you. You can choose who you want to share this information with, and you can import tables to other sites on one central location. So when you're making a sales call, you won't have multiple tabs open. You will have one tab open, and that is Airtable. So why use it? It's convenient. Having all your information in one place when you're trying to create and complete a high-risk business sales call will allow you to sound prepared, and you can go ahead and pre-plan everything right through this program. It's user-friendly. Even I was able to figure it out. It's a relatively easy program that you can use and effectively manage your own information on, and you're allowed to collaborate with others. You have free access to most of the site. There are only a few components that are not free on this website, which makes it a great backup plan and backup site for all your information. You can put it all right in there, and you don't even have to pay a dime. And you can collaborate on it, meaning that you can connect with multiple users on the same site, or even email and invite them to join your Airtable and make edits to it. So how does this work for you in sales? You can store and share all your information all in one place. You can keep all your information in sync, so everything you're doing, you can constantly just have Airtable open. That is one tab that you have to work on while you are doing your job in sales and networking, and everything can be done right in this site. So for a little example of how the site works, I am deciding to show you my Airtable. I have created kind of like a mock component just to describe the site a little bit and show you the different features and components that you can use within the site. So now we will go over to Airtable, and we'll look it up right here. We'll start like a brand new login. So we go into Airtable, you go ahead and hit sign in. Gotta excuse my internet, it's a little slow for this presentation. So this is what you see when you log in. Right up here is your profile. Let's move my face a little bit. Right up here is your profile. You can customize all of your information, put all your contact information up there, and even contact the site if you have any questions. So this is your workspace. This is the thing that you would create to save all of your sale information. You'd add a new base, and you can upload any Google Sheets, Google Sites, Google Docs that you need on there. Adding in this workspace allows you to customize it to your full potential. So you can quickly upload by uploading multiple projects from like different things. You can choose a template do you want to get started with, or you can start from scratch, which is what I did. So this is my project tracking template. In this guy, you have different tabs that organize all your information. You can add new, or you can show all tables if you want to. So in here, we'll start in the task tab. This is a tab that I have designed to put in different tasks that I plan to do. So in these tasks, if I decide that I finished doing all my resources, I could put in progress when I'm working on it, which all of the people that I share this with will be able to see. I can choose the priority level depending on when it needs to get done, which will help with procrastination and time management, because you don't have to sort through what needs to be done and what priority it is. When you finish this, you can hit done, and you can share it with different collaborators right here. You can always add a new field to the table if you decide that you want to put in long text to describe what you did for this task. You can put that right in there. Description. Put that right in there. In the description, you can put what you did to complete the task, and that is your new time task line. You can choose to add or delete or edit these tasks, so you can use it every day, or it can be long-term tasks. Another example of what I have found Airtable useful for is a customer flow list. This is a list of customers that you are working on contacting about sales. In this, you can assign your customer to different people. This is convenient whether you're going on vacation or if you're distributing work. So in here, you can write little notes about your customer. Customer only wants to be contacted through email. He's very chatty, and it goes into what he did for his sale. You can put in the status of what he's working on. So if you're still working on selling to this customer, you mark him as to do. If he's in progress, you can do that, or you can mark him as done. In here, you could add in different components to this worksheet of like different percents, durations of time, different formulas, created time, last modified date, auto number them. So say you want them to be auto numbered, you can do that right in there. Marks them as 1, 2, 3, but they're already done over there like that. So we contacted John Doe, Sally Smith right here. First, we called him mid-afternoon, around 2 p.m. She takes lunch. She's interested in our largest plan and seeking some upgrades. So with this information about Sally Smith, we can complete a phone call to talk to her about her plans for what she plans to do in her sales. So we are in progress of calling her. In here, you can upload different components. This is like a sales tracking sheet. It goes through, you can put in like different projected sales, the amount of hours, closing costs, whether or not they're completed, did you complete a survey call afterwards, and their phone numbers, which are right here. Having all this information right in front of you tells you exactly what they are planning on spending with you, and you're able to even add in a component, attachments, purchase orders, different things like that to help complete their profile of your sale with them. And you can add on as many as you want with them. In here, you could add in different purchase orders. This is, I believe, a coupon style. Let's change it back to grid. Grid is a little easier. So you can change your styles here too. What view you want to see this in. Is this more of a grid form? Is this more of a calendar component? And you can add that right in here. So this is a purchase order for Jay Langston. And it completes the items he bought and his total unit price, shipping, handling, tax rates, and everything. This website is really easy to upload new documents into. Right here, I will show you how to upload a new Google Sheets account, which allows you to import all of the information that you already have made. Really convenient to switch that over. Say we want to put in this event marketing timeline. Put this right in here. We're going to create it as a new table, or we could add it to another file. And then right there, it goes into all of our details. And we just scroll down, check for accuracy before uploading, and you hit import. So in this event marketing timeline, you now have all of your information right in front of you instead of having 10, 15 tabs open of all the information you need to do your daily work. You can also choose to share your information. You can share it publicly, or you can create them by email or create a link to go ahead and share records with. So looking at all of this, I feel that it is easier to switch between these tabs in the middle of a phone call than to open up a new Google Sheets report to open up Langston's purchase order when making a phone call about a survey about how the delivery went smoothly. And you are able to follow up with each of your customers because they are right in front of you. Going back to our presentation. To conclude, Airtable is a really effective and efficient database that allows you to complete your daily sales routine. It allows you to collaborate with multiple other people on this project, on a particular project, or just a project in a whole. You can customize it to each and every way you enjoy it. If you decide you like certain things in certain places, you're able to move them there, and it's free to use. In this component, you can upgrade to a higher version, which I think allows you to share with more people. And that concludes our presentation. These are my sources. Thank you so much.